Welcome to the dynamic world of YouTube, where dreams are nurtured and realities are broadcasted. Creators share their passions, uploading over 500 hours of video every minute. Standing out requires more than creativity. It demands strategy, insight, and understanding of the platform's mechanics. Today, we'll delve into crucial strategies for YouTube growth, from optimizing content to engaging with viewers and leveraging analytics. These strategies are backed by successful YouTubers who have transformed their channels into flourishing enterprises. YouTube isn't just a video sharing platform, it's a community where connection is key. Content is king on YouTube, but not all content is created equal. The first step to growing your channel is creating content that resonates with your target audience. Understand who your viewers are, what they like, and what problems they need solved. Optimizing your videos for visibility is equally important. This includes crafting compelling titles, descriptions, and creating eye-catching thumbnails. A well-optimized video is more likely to appear in search results and recommended sections. The quality of your videos plays a crucial role in retaining viewers. Investing in good equipment to improve video and audio quality can make a significant difference. Don't underestimate the power of storytelling. It makes your videos more relatable and memorable. Connect with your audience on an emotional level, making them come back for more. One of the most critical strategies for YouTube success is maintaining a consistent upload schedule. Regular uploads keep your channel active and your audience engaged. They signal to YouTube's algorithms that your channel is a reliable source of content. Decide on a realistic schedule, daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, and stick to it. Consistency also refers to the quality and type of content you produce. Viewers subscribe because they expect certain types of content. Drastically changing your content type can confuse your audience and lead to a drop in engagement. Announcing your upload schedule can create anticipation and build a routine for viewers. Many successful YouTubers share their upload schedules in their video descriptions or at the end of their videos. Prepare content in advance to avoid last-minute rushes and potential delays. A well-maintained schedule is a commitment to your audience and a major step towards professionalizing your channel. Engagement is the currency of the YouTube realm. The more you engage with your viewers, the more likely they are to remain loyal and promote your channel. Engagement isn't just about responding to comments, it's about creating a community. This can be achieved through interactive content, live streams, and viewer-driven content. Interactive content such as polls and Q&A sessions provides direct interaction with your audience. Live streaming adds another layer of personal interaction, giving viewers a real-time connection. Viewer-driven content involves creating content based on viewer suggestions or involving viewers in content creation. Acknowledging your viewers' support, whether through shout-outs or personalized messages, can deepen their loyalty. Engagement is about fostering a two-way relationship with your audience. Make them feel like an integral part of your YouTube journey. Leveraging collaborations, expanding your reach. Collaborations are a cornerstone of YouTube culture. They allow you to tap into the audiences of other creators, bringing fresh eyes to your channel. Look for collaborators who share a similar audience but offer different content. The key to a successful collaboration is to create content that is mutually beneficial. Planning and communication are crucial. Discuss your goals, content ideas, and promotion strategies to ensure smooth collaboration. Beyond traditional collaborations, consider guest appearances on podcasts, interviews, or co-hosting events. The broader your network, the more opportunities you have to expose your channel to new audiences. Collaborations are not just about gaining subscribers, but also about learning from other creators. Treat each collaboration as an opportunity to grow and learn. Understanding YouTube analytics, a data-driven approach. YouTube provides a wealth of data through its analytics section, which can be an invaluable resource. Understanding this data allows you to see what works and what doesn't. Key metrics to focus on include watch time, viewer retention, traffic sources, and engagement rates. Watch time is crucial because it influences how YouTube ranks your videos. The longer viewers watch your videos, the more likely YouTube is to recommend them. Analyze which videos have the highest watch time and understand what makes them appealing. Viewer retention shows you at what point viewers are dropping off. This can help you identify elements in your videos that might be causing viewers to lose interest. Traffic sources tell you where your viewers are coming from. Knowing this can help you tailor your optimization strategies for maximum visibility. Engagement rates, including likes, comments, and shares, are indicators of how well your content resonates. High engagement rates often correlate with higher visibility. Use this data to understand what encourages viewers to engage and replicate these factors. Understanding and utilizing YouTube analytics can transform your approach, turning guesswork into a precise science. Real-life success stories. Learning from the best. Learning from successful YouTubers can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Take, for example, Markiplier, who built a loyal community through regular interaction and sharing personal experiences. Lily Singh used her unique brand of humor and cultural background to stand out. She diversified her content by branching out into music, writing, and television. Both creators show that while content is important, diversification and personal connection are key to long-term success. These stories highlight common themes: clear focus, consistent uploads, deep audience engagement, and evolution over time. Authenticity is crucial. Viewers are drawn to genuine and relatable creators. Drawing lessons from these success stories can help you understand the pathways to YouTube success. It's about understanding the principles behind their decisions and shaping your unique approach. Staying updated. Adapting to YouTube's evolving algorithms. YouTube's algorithms are continually evolving, making it essential to stay informed and adapt. These algorithms influence how videos are discovered and recommended. Follow YouTube's official channels and blogs for updates. Engage with the wider YouTube community for insights and tips. Recent changes emphasize user engagement and longer watch times. Adapting involves making small adjustments based on new information. This proactive approach can help you maintain and grow your channel's reach. Engaging with comments, a tool for growth. Engaging with comments on your videos is a powerful tool for increasing viewer loyalty. Comments are conversations. Responding shows viewers their opinions are valued. Set aside time after each video upload to respond to comments. Immediate engagement can increase activity on your video, favored by YouTube's algorithms. Be genuine in your responses and address viewers by their usernames. Highlight interesting comments in your videos to encourage more interaction. Use comments as inspiration for new content. Managing negative comments gracefully shows maturity and dedication to your community. The role of patience and persistence. Patience and persistence are crucial for growing a YouTube channel. Success rarely comes overnight. It's a long-term commitment. Consistency in content creation and development as a creator is key. Continuously learn new skills, experiment with different formats, and adapt to feedback. Stay motivated during periods of slow growth. Use them to reassess and refine strategies. Every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Persistence set them apart. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Patience and persistence are about actively working towards results despite challenges. Conclusion: embracing the journey of YouTube success. Growing a YouTube channel requires creativity, strategy, and community engagement. From optimizing content to understanding analytics, each aspect is crucial. Patience and persistence are essential. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Use the strategies discussed as your roadmap. Start today by applying these insights and strategies. Test what works best for your audience and content style. Your channel has the potential to create meaningful connections and experiences. Embrace the journey and let's grow your YouTube success story together.